let me ask you something. What if I told you that a $20 part could end up costing you thousands of dollars in engine damage? Sounds crazy, right? But it's a very real and very scary risk. Counterfeit auto parts are a massive problem, and today we're going to focus on how one tiny fake component could be a ticking time bomb inside your Toyota or Lexus engine. And this is where things get really serious, really fast. You think you're saving a few bucks on a $20 spark plug you found online? But when that counterfeit part inevitably fails, and trust me, it will, it can literally just fall apart, sending little bits of metal shooting through your engine. And the result? Catastrophic damage. All of a sudden, that great deal just turned into an $8,000 repair bill. So yeah, that's the real price you pay for a deal that's too good to be true. And look, it's not just about the hit to your wallet. For brands like Toyota and Lexus, brands that are built on a rock-solid reputation of reliability and safety, these fake parts are a direct threat to everything they represent. Why? Well, because these fakes aren't built to the same engineering standards. They haven't been through the rigorous testing. Putting one in your car, you're basically gambling with its performance, its safety, and that legendary lifespan that you bought the car for in the first place. Okay, so how do we stop this from happening to you? Well, your investigation starts way before you even open the box. Let's jump into the very first red flag, the packaging itself. You know, the difference is all in the tiny details. Genuine Toyota packaging is just precise. The printing is super crisp, the fonts are always consistent, and you'll often find a high-quality hologram sticker. Now, the counterfeiters, they have to cut corners somewhere. So you'll see blurry text, logos that just look a little bit off, and the classic giveaway, spelling mistakes. I mean, seriously, they are banking on you being in a hurry and not looking closely. Okay, so let's say the box actually passes the test. But wait, your work isn't done yet. These counterfeiters are getting sneakier with the packaging, but where they almost always fail is with the quality of the actual component. So it's time for our second red flag, examining the part itself. You can often literally feel the difference. Just pick the part up. A genuine part has a certain weight to it, a solid feel, because it's made from high-quality materials. Fakes, they often feel weirdly light, almost flimsy. Then take a close look at the finish. Is the metal rough? Is the plastic molding messy? Do the colors seem just a little bit off? Even the logos or numbers stamped on it might look kind of fuzzy or poorly done. You gotta trust your gut on this one. All right, now this right here, this is your secret weapon. It's practically foolproof. Every single genuine Toyota part has a number stamped or printed right on it. Your job is to find that number, go to the official Toyota or Lexus parts website, and just punch that number into their public parts search. The website is going to show you exactly what that part is supposed to look like, along with a picture. If what you see on your screen doesn't match what's in your hand, bingo, you've just caught yourself a fake. Okay, so we've checked the box, we've checked the part, now for our third and final red flag. And this one is all about the context of the sale itself, because where you buy is just as important as what you buy. And I know, we've all heard this a million times, but in the world of OEM auto parts, it is the absolute golden rule. Think about it. Genuine Toyota parts have a pretty consistent price across all the official dealers. There are no secret crazy discounts. So if you see a part online for like 70% off, you have to stop and ask yourself, how is that even possible? And that one question should immediately make you look for these other seller red flags. I'm talking about a price that's just ridiculously lower than anyone else's, or sellers who only use generic stock photos. I mean, why won't they show you the actual item? Then go look at their return policy. Is it super vague or worse, non-existent? That's a huge tell. And finally, check where it's shipping from. If the part is coming from some random overseas location when the seller's supposed to be local, yeah, you should be very, very skeptical. All right, I know that was a ton of information. It might seem like a lot to keep in your head, but we can actually boil it all down into a super simple, really powerful tool that you can use every single time you buy a part. So let's go through your verification checklist. Here it is, your pre-purchase cheat sheet. Number 1, always scrutinize the box for any little mistake. 2, get your hands on the part. Check its weight, its finish, its markings. 3, and this is the big one, always verify that part number on the official website. Always. 4, if a deal seems unbelievable, it is. Question it. And number 5, do your homework on the seller. Check their policies, their reviews. These 5 steps, they're basically your armor. They'll protect you from a potential financial nightmare. At the end of the day, knowledge is your absolute best defense against these fakes. And the best part is, you're not in this alone. We're a community, right? We look out for each other. So if you've got a part number you're feeling a little iffy about, just drop it in the comments below. Let's get some eyes on it, let's help each other out, and keep our cars running the way they were meant to, safely and reliably for years to come.